Welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV, and the home of performance, precision, and passion for the world's finest rides. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated compact luxury SUVs of the year, the 2026 Audi Q3. If you're in the market for a vehicle that blends premium styling, advanced technology, and agile performance, this next-generation Q3 might just be what you're looking for. Buckle up, because we're taking you on a full-throttle tour of what this new model brings to the table. Exterior. Starting up front, the 2026 Q3 makes an immediate impression. Audi has given the front fascia a bold and more refined design. The signature single-frame grille is now wider, more sculpted, and features a honeycomb mesh pattern in higher trims, bordered by sleek aluminum trim that screams upscale European styling. The Matrix LED headlights are slimmer than ever and house dynamic animation when locking and unlocking the car. With a lower front bumper redesigned for a sportier edge, you can see how Audi continues to sharpen its language while maintaining that unmistakable Q identity. Air intakes at the corners give it an aggressive yet elegant touch, blending function with form, enhancing aerodynamics while also cooling key components. Moving along to the side profile, the 2026 Q3 continues to impress. The proportions are slightly more balanced this time around. It sits a little lower and wider than before, offering a more planted and athletic stance. A crisp shoulder line runs clean from the front fenders through the rear taillights, giving it a sculpted, muscular look. Wheel options range from stylish 18-inch alloys to sporty 20-inch trims with diamond-cut designs, depending on your trim choice. The subtle use of chrome, particularly around the windows and door trims, adds a touch of sophistication. You'll also notice new color options this year, including a gorgeous Sacher gold metallic and Ascori blue, both exclusive to higher trims. Audi's attention to detail is everywhere, from flush door handles to subtly flared wheel arches that offer a hint of off-road capability. At the rear, the Q3's design language continues its evolution with a cleaner, more minimalist aesthetic. The LED taillights feature a new digital light signature that adds a futuristic twist, and like the headlights, they have a dynamic light show when you approach or depart. The rear bumper is cleaner and now incorporates a sportier diffuser element. There's no fake exhaust tips here. Audi's gone for a genuine, performance-focused look. A subtle roof spoiler adds to the athletic styling without being over the top. The Q3's tailgate is power-operated, with gesture control for hands-free operation, a small but highly appreciated convenience in daily life. Interior. Step inside the 2026 Q3 and you're immediately wrapped in Audi's hallmark blend of technology and craftsmanship. The cabin is quieter and more refined thanks to improved insulation and premium materials used throughout. Soft touch surfaces extend across the dashboard and doors, while real aluminum or open-pore wood trim, depending on your package, enhances the sense of luxury. The highlight is the new MMI Touch Response System featuring a 12.3-inch digital cockpit plus and 11.9-inch central infotainment touchscreen. Both displays are sharp, fast, and seamlessly integrated with haptic feedback and enhanced voice control powered by ChatGPT-like AI capabilities. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Q3 comes with multiple powertrain options depending on your region. In North America, expect the familiar yet refined 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, now tuned to deliver up to 241 horsepower and 273 pounds-feet of torque, thanks to mild hybrid enhancements. This engine is paired with a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission and Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive as standard. Acceleration from 0 to 60 clocks in at a brisk 6.4 seconds, making it one of the peppier entries in the compact luxury SUV class. For the efficiency-minded, Audi is also offering a plug-in hybrid variant in select markets, combining a 1.5-liter TFSI engine with an electric motor. This setup provides a combined output of around 215 horsepower and up to 35 miles of electric-only driving range, perfect for urban commuters who want to keep their carbon footprint low without sacrificing luxury or performance. Handling-wise, the Q3 has been further dialed in for 2026. The ride is smoother, thanks to a retuned suspension system, but still agile enough to take on corners with confidence. Optional adaptive dampers let you tailor your driving experience. Go from comfortable cruiser to sport-tuned performer at the touch of a button. Steering is precise, and body roll is well managed for a crossover of this size. This isn't just a grocery getter, it's a driver's SUV, especially in the S-Line variant. Tech-wise, Audi's kept the Q3 at the cutting edge. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, as do multiple USB-C ports and a wireless charging pad. The latest Audi Connect suite brings real-time navigation with traffic updates, weather overlays, and even augmented reality directions projected on the digital cockpit. The Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system is nothing short of concert-grade, filling the cabin with rich, immersive audio. Safety, of course, hasn't taken a backseat. The 2026 Q3 includes Audi Presense front, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise assist, and a new 360-degree camera system that now includes augmented path projection to guide you during tight parking maneuvers. Audi's new driver attention monitor uses a camera to keep an eye on driver fatigue and distraction, gently nudging you to take a break when needed. Now, let's talk pricing. The base premium trim of the 2026 Audi Q3 starts around $39,500, which is a slight bump from the previous year, but you're getting more standard tech and all-wheel drive. Move up to the Premium Plus and you're looking at about $43,000. The top-tier Prestige model, with all the bells and whistles, adaptive suspension, panoramic sunroof, larger wheels, and advanced driver assistance, can nudge close to $49,000 when fully loaded. The plug-in hybrid variant, if offered in your market, is expected to start around $45,000. Considering the refinement, technology, and performance Audi packs into the Q3, these prices are competitive for the luxury segment. So, what's the final verdict on the 2026 Audi Q3? It's a well-balanced package that blends elegance, functionality, and driving enjoyment into one sleek, premium crossover. It might be compact in size, but it delivers big in presence and features. Whether you're a city dweller looking for style and convenience, a weekend adventurer craving versatility, or a tech-savvy professional who wants it all in one vehicle, the Q3 rises to meet the challenge. Audi continues to show why it remains a leader in the luxury compact SUV segment. Thanks for riding along with us on Turbo Trendz TV. If you enjoyed this deep-dive review, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more detailed automotive content, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. What do you think of the 2026 Audi Q3? Is it the right mix of performance and luxury for you, or do you have your eye on something else in this category? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your drives thrilling.